Hello all, welcome to our Speed GK YouTube channel. We will be posting new videos on general knowledge on different subjects and areas every week. Kindly subscribe our channel and support us. The 86th Amendment of the Indian Constitution makes education a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14 years, the official power to make legal decisions and judgments. Jurisdiction: when was the Life Insurance Act passed? 1956. Whether narcoanalysis polygraph test without consent is allowed? Prohibited in all cases. In which case did the Supreme Court of India determine that the Parliament has power to make amendment in fundamental rights, but it cannot make any change in the basic structure of the Constitution? Keshwanand Bharati case, which was the largest bench of the Supreme Court ever constituted? A 13 judges bench, Keshwananda Bharati versus the state of Kerala. The landmark judgment of the Supreme Court in Keshwanand Bharati versus State of Kerala, 1973, is related to which topic? Fundamental rights. Number of minimum judges in a constitutional bench are 5. Right to pollution-free environment comes under Article 21. Right to life. Burden of proof in any criminal case lies on the prosecution. The Constitution of India provides for how many types of emergencies? 3. What makes a contract void? Mistake. Mercy killing is also known as euthanasia. Under the law in India, what kind of euthanasia is allowed? Passive euthanasia. What is caveat? A warning: the right to the constitutional remedies in India is available to all persons in case of infringement of any fundamental right. While a proclamation of emergency is in operation, the state government cannot legislate. The right to information, RTI, is a fundamental right. Right to Information Act, 2005, secures access to information which is under the control of public authorities. Which of the following committees has recommended measures for banning and controlling ragging in educational establishments in India? The Raghavan Committee. In extradition treaty, extradition means two countries will deport criminal on reciprocal basis to each other. In India, the reckoning date for the determination of the age of the juvenile is the date of offense, an offense of breaking a divine idol. Sacrilege. In India, cyber terrorism is an offense punishable under Information Technology Act. Information Technology Act was enacted in 2000. Which of the following statement is correct about the difference between bill and act? All acts are bills before becoming an act. The commission which looks after the task of law reforms in India is the Law Commission. Who was the chairman of the 21st Law Commission of India constituted in 2016? Justice Balbir Singh Chauhan. Which right has been given to the citizens under Article 21 of the Constitution of India? Right to education. Name the type of education which is not considered as a fundamental right. Pre-primary education. On April 2013, the Supreme Court held that the modification of well-known cancer-fighting drug is not a patentable new invention against which pharmaceutical firm? Novartis. Nota is introduced in the voting machine as one among the options based on decision of the Supreme Court of India. Under Indian Penal Code, how many persons constitute an unlawful assembly? 5 or more persons. In which schedule of the Constitution the anti-defection law is provided? 10th schedule. How many fundamental duties are listed in the Constitution? 11. In 1993, National Human Rights Commission was established under the Protection of Human Rights Act. Which one of the following committee was constituted to review environmental law in the country? Subramanian Committee. Which Southeast Asian country has recently banned surrogacy service to end its flourishing rent-a-womb industry? Thailand. By which Constitutional Amendment Act the National Judicial Appointments Commission has been set up? 99th Amendment Act. Governor of a state can make laws during recess of state legislative assembly through ordinance. Which section of the Indian Penal Code defines murder? 300. Homicide in legal terms means causing death of a human being. The killing of a newborn child is known as infanticide. Alimony in legal terms means maintenance given by husband to wife on divorce. The symbol V in case name stands for versus. Moot in legal terms is mock court for practice by students. A person can directly file a writ petition before the Supreme Court of India for the enforcement of his fundamental right under which article of the Constitution of India? 32. Which article of the Constitution of India was used to impose precedent rule in Uttarakhand and placing the Assembly under suspended animation in March 2016? Article 356. Under which act can action be taken against willful defaulters of banking loans? Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act, SARFAESI Act. Which of the following court tribunal ordered levy of an environment compensatory charge on commercial vehicles not bound for the capital yet passing through Delhi? Supreme Court of India. Thanks for watching Speed GK YouTube channel. Please support our Speed GK YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and also please share this video with your friends. Thank you.